Hey, welcome back. I'm on the same page. So if someone clicks their account, this link, edit account. So this is the form they will get. But we need to actually retrieve the customer information and display here. So after that, they can change it and update their account. I'm on the same page here. Edit underscore account.php, which we created in previous video, and we just copied the registration code over here. Now what we need to do, first of all, we need to get the user session so we can then import the user information from the table. So we need to go to my underscore account.php page, and in here I have a user session and a query. You can find over here. Very simply, I will just copy till here and will paste it above the page, the top of the page. First of all, I need to start PHP block and end that PHP block over here. Now we have user session which is customer email, and the customer is already logged in. So we will say get customer, select from customers where customer email is equal to user, and after that we will say run customer, and then we will say row customer, and after that we will get, sorry, we need to change this as well to get customer, add this also to run customer. So after this we will get, because we are fetching the data, so we can fetch whatever we need. So we need all the details which we can display here in these fields. So first is customer name, then email, then password, image, country, city, contact, address, etc. So all the things. First of all, we will say c underscore name, or we will see very simply name, just name, because later on we have to update this form, so we will need to create more local variables. Name is equal to row customer, and from there we will get the customer name from the table, customer underscore name. That's it. We'll copy this and copy this whole line once, paste it here again and again so we can get all the data. The second thing is email, third is pass, after that country, then city, then let me check, sorry, image is there. Okay, image is this one. City, country, that's done. Now contact and address, contact and address. So we will remove this one, and we need to change this as well to customer address and to customer contact, this one to customer city, this one to customer country, one to customer pass, and this one to customer email. So we will get the exact values that we need actually to show. But before this all, we also need to include the database. we need to check if it is there. That will be okay, otherwise there is function only, so we need to include the database, includes db.php, because we are dealing with the database, so that is absolutely fine. Now we have all the information of the customer inside these local variables. Now we can simply display them inside these input fields. So we need to actually very simply add a value attribute inside which we can display these values using PHP. Very simply PHP, just PHP close, and inside that we will echo, this is name, so we will echo name variable over here. That's it. Control S to save. Now come here, refresh the page, and you will see the exact name of this person. This person name is Samantha. Fresh, you can see Samantha is there now. So similarly like that, we will just copy this whole value attribute which is having the PHP code as well, and we will paste it here inside the email, and in here we will change the variable from name to email, and we'll paste it here. Change this variable to pass. This is basically image, so we will just add an img tag which will have a source will have a source like customer underscore images, and in backslash we will put that, we will simply echo image that's it, and we will give a width of 50 pixels and height also of 50 pixels. That's it. So we will display the image which is already there, and if they can also add one more image. That's it. And the customer cannot actually change their country. We'll simply do something like we'll show their country over here in the first option, in this one. Simply echo country, but we are not giving them chance to change the country, so we can say here disable. This is an HTML attribute, HTML5 attribute, which will disable this field. So that's it. Now Control S to save, and you can check it here. Fresh. The country is United Kingdom, but cannot be actually changed, cannot be modified. And you can see the email address, the password, and the image is not coming because image is not being displayed. Customer underscore images, source is okay. We'll remove this is required because this is not required over here. Customer images, need to check the folder. Customer underscore images, that's okay. Oh sorry, we don't have variable image is equal to row customer, and we have not actually taken this from the database. We forgot actually to create a variable for image and to get that image name from the table. Now it's okay, fine. So let's to save, and now you refresh, you can see this is the image here. Now you can show the city and customer contact, customer city, and customer address as well. Very simply we'll come over here to city and we'll simply remove this required field. We'll put that we already copied the value attribute including the PHP tag. We'll paste it inside here as well. Say contact, and this is the address. And we will also change this button, now the button name to update, and the text will be update account. Control S to save. We'll come here, refresh the page, and you see city was London, and this is the their contact number, and this is the address. And when they click update account button, so the account will be updated. I mean, any user whoever is logged in, so they can actually update their account. Now once again you can click, if you are coming to the main account, so this message will be displayed, and if someone clicks their edit account, so they will see their details. They cannot change their country, but the other details are changeable. So this is done. We have retrieved the information of the user and have displayed them inside the value attributes in the same form basically, and the names are the same. I mean cname, cemail, I mean these input tags names are the same, because we will get the new information when if someone basically change this name to something else, or this email to something else, or this password to something else, or anything inside this form. So we can get that information inside the PHP script, and we will target this input fields name and next video, and we will then update this whole form. So stay tuned.